Hey guys, hi. I'm sorry, last few months you can say I was not very regular with recording videos and all. Now I'm trying to bring it on track. Hopefully, I'll be more regular. So this is what is happening as of now. My portfolio, in positions. This is Nifty. I'm around 450 short in the money calls, and put I have done 100. So I have booked some money today. So this month it has been good. Last month we lost some good money. Luckily, the premiums are very high, which is helping. In terms of holding, I'll show you. This is what it is. It went to almost 17.5 lifetime high, and now it has come down. With the recent fall, it has fallen around 1 lakh. Okay, this is what the stocks are doing. I have around this many shares which are in negative, but otherwise, most of them are in positive. So as I have decided, because that is giving me a lot of trouble, so I'm shifting a portion of this portfolio to Cube. This is the Cube platform which they have created. So I'm shifting a bit of my portfolio here so that, sorry guys. So I'm shifting a bit of my portfolio out here uh, because I was getting too dependent on Zerodha. So the top holdings I'll be shifting. Yes, already have done the process. Maybe in a day or two it will be done. So in terms of uh, trading, Nifty as of now looks pretty much range bound. I'll not consider this bullish because it has fallen so much. It has recovered half of it, and this is the broader range. You can say 22,100 to 21,000. So this is like the 1,000 points range that you can play. Right now it is 22 and 21 200. You can say. So hopefully it will play. It can go and touch this level again, and we'll see. But because of this volatility, it has become very difficult to trade. If you go into Twitter, people are losing left and right. So yeah, in terms of stocks, I bought few shares today. These are the shares I added: Gale and Nosil, Apollo Tire, Carborundum, Universal, and all. Euro, I have few positions this month. They have come down very bad. JPY lost some money. So what I've done is I bought something here, and I bought it here, and from the next day onwards started falling big. So this I've again averaged out here. So I was having 30 lots till yesterday, and I have added one more 30. So now it is 60. So you can guys, people who don't do currency, you can look into it. GBP, JPY is already has moved, so not much of value here. But Euro and JPY is looking very good. So if you want, you guys can. Euro looking very attractive. JPY also looking very attractive. So this is what it is. This is the other account I am making some small out here. Similar kind of position is there. So let's see. This is how the day has ended for me. In the comments, do tell me what or how what's happening in your account. I'll be also posting that the monthly one in next 2 days.